Hello guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about Binance Smart Chain and we'll be also exploring some decentralized applications that are based on Binance Smart Chain. So first of all, Binance Smart Chain is built on Go Ethereum. It is EVM compatible, that is Ethereum virtual machine compatible, and supports decentralized financial application smart contracts. It has got many benefits like low transaction fees, high scalability, and users can stake BNB to become validator nodes in Binance Smart Chain. Many decentralized financial applications are migrating to Binance Smart Chain because of these features. In today's video, we'll be discussing about PancakeSwap, which is based on Binance Smart Chain and is accessible through Trust Wallet. To download Trust Wallet, the links are given in the description box below. You can download Trust Wallet from those links. So first of all, after opening Trust Wallet, just navigate to the decentralized application browser, which is second in the navigation bar below. Just type in the address network. Try switching from Ethereum network to Binance Smart Chain network because PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain decentralized application. To stake cakes, just navigate to the menu, click on staking. After that, scroll down and click on the plus icon. Enter the amount of cake you want to stake. I have 5 cake tokens. I will be staking that. If you don't have cake tokens, you can always exchange your BNB BEP20 tokens with cake tokens at exchange.pancakeswap.finance. I'll be staking my 5 pancake tokens. Click on confirm. Just approve the transaction. After approval of the transaction, it will take some time for the network to confirm it. After that, you can see that 5 cake tokens has been staked successfully. After staking 5 cake tokens, you will get equal amount of syrup tokens as a reward. You can stake these syrup tokens to earn TWT tokens. Let's see how it works. Just navigate to the menu again. Click on syrup pool. You can see there are many syrup pools available. These are new projects which are new in market, and you can stake syrup tokens to earn some rewards on top of it. There is alpha pool, TWT pool, and XVS pool which are active now. So we'll be staking our syrup tokens in TWT pool. Just click on the plus icon, enter the amount of syrup tokens you want to stake. I'll be staking 5 syrup tokens and just hit that confirm button. Just approve the transaction. Let the transaction get confirmed by the network. The transaction has been successfully confirmed by the network, and you can see that my 5 syrup tokens has been staked successfully. You will be rewarded TWT tokens as per the block reward emissions. You can always withdraw your TWT tokens by clicking the harvest button over here. It is a great option to stake cake tokens and earn rewards on top of it. The APY rate, that is annual profit rate, is pretty high. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.